My current printer setup kind of sucks. The printer prints lines across the paper sheets, and there's no real good way to access the back of the printer in case I need to do any maintenance, which hopefully I won't have to do. And also, it just is super hard to put paper in, and the storage of paper isn't very good. So I'm going to design on Fusion 360 a new way that I can have the printer be like a new setup for the printer, and then hopefully also troubleshoot the printer so it stops printing lines across the paper. So I'm going to measure all the different studs because it's in an open studded area, it's not finished, there's no drywall, and then find the best way to approach the issue. In this video, I'm also just going to model the thing and design it, and then if I end up building it, then I'll make another video of me building it and putting it together. My first idea is a Lazy Susan type of thing, so it's spin around, but I think that me spinning it all around won't be very good because it will I'll have to account for all of the edges going on the outside, and so it's just gonna be a bigger area that I need the printer like open space, and so it's not going to work very well. Another one would also be a sliding door mechanism, and so I think I'm going to do that. I saw it in a 3D printer setup video and I really liked how they did it, so I'm hopefully going to use some of that aspect to it and then do that. So I'm going to measure all the studs and then put up a model of the studs so then I can model how I'm going to do everything else. Before I can move any further, I need to make sure that I have enough space for the clearance for the trash can and the recycling bin. So I think that 6 inches above each of them is good enough, and so the bottom of the shelf will be 6 inches above these. So just measuring these from top to bottom, it's about 14 inches and 14 inches respectively. So I'll just start the shelf 14 inches above the bottom, which is the ground, so then I will have enough space to throw things away and recycle things anyways. So now I just need to decide where I'm going to put the printer on the shelf in relation to everything else. So I just finished modeling it, and so I found all the parts that I need, and so if I want to build it then I can, and I probably will, but I need to get all the parts and stuff, so that will be a separate video. And I would say it was pretty good. I learned how to actually model an environment in Fusion, which is good, and apply different materials, so I should be good to go to build it now.